Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks online. Using sub-accounts can help you organize your business transactions more effectively, giving you better control over your finances. I'll walk you through each step, so it's simple and easy to follow. First, sign into your QuickBooks online account. Go to the QuickBooks website and click the Sign In button. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online since QuickBooks offers several products. Then enter your email and password and click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. Familiarizing yourself with the Settings menu will save you time in the future. From here, select Chart of Accounts. This section lists all your current accounts and is key for organizing your financial data. Now click the New button to create a new account. Start by entering a name for your account. Make it descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Next, select an account type. This defines the nature of the account, whether it's for income, expenses, assets, or another category. Choosing the correct type is important for accurate reporting. After that, select a detail type. This gives more context under the broader account type, helping categorize transactions precisely. Here's the key step for making it a sub-account. Look for the option labeled Make This a Sub-Account and check it. This links your new account to a parent account, creating a layered, organized view of your finances. Then select the parent account, the main account under which this sub-account will reside. Make sure it logically fits with the parent account. Finally, click Save to create your sub-account. Congratulations! You've successfully added a sub-account to your chart of accounts, giving you more detailed control over your financial records. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.